Are you tired of your laptop slowing you down? Need a machine that keeps pace with demanding work, complex projects, or intensive study? Discover the Dell Latitude 5450. This Dell Latitude 5450 is built for serious users. It features the Intel 12-core Ultra 5135U processor designed for speed and efficiency. This CPU even outperforms the i7-1355U in many tasks, giving you a significant edge. Multitasking is effortless with a massive 64 gigabytes of DDR5 RAM. Store everything you need and access it instantly on the lightning-fast 2 terabytes PCIe SSD. This configuration handles heavy workloads with ease. Experience clear visuals on the 14-inch Full HD IPS display. Its anti-glare finish is perfect for various lighting conditions. Integrated Intel graphics with AI accelerators enhance your viewing and creative tasks. Stay connected wherever you are with Intel Wi-Fi 6E. A comprehensive port selection includes 2 Thunderbolt 4 ports, multiple USB 3.2 ports, HDMI 2.1, and Ethernet. Connect all your peripherals without compromise. Running Windows 11 Pro, this laptop offers advanced security and management features. The backlit keyboard ensures comfortable typing in any environment. Its slim, lightweight design makes it ideal for professionals and students on the go. This configuration is optimized for demanding users across various fields. Whether you're a business professional, IT manager, remote worker, or student, it provides the power, speed, and reliability you need. Positive reviews highlight its performance and value. Ready to upgrade your productivity? This Dell Latitude 5450 offers exceptional specs at a competitive price point. With limited stock available, don't miss out on this powerful machine. Check out the Dell Latitude 5450 on Amazon today to secure yours and transform your workflow.